Welcome back to Nothing But Real. Right now, as you watch this, the sun is shining, powering life, weather, and every heartbeat on Earth. But what if, in the next second, it simply disappeared? Today, we're diving into one of the most terrifying questions in science. What if the sun suddenly vanished? Get ready, because this is what would happen, second by second. For 8 minutes, nothing happens. If the sun vanished instantly, we wouldn't know right away. Because light takes 8 minutes and 20 seconds to reach Earth. During that time, everything would look perfectly normal: sunshine, blue skies, birds flying. While in reality, the sun would already be gone. Then, total darkness. After those 8 minutes, daylight would vanish instantly. The sky wouldn't fade into night, it would snap to complete, terrifying blackness. Every city, every forest, every ocean, plunged into eternal night. The moon and planets would disappear too, since they only reflect the sun's light. Earth would keep orbiting, for a while. Surprisingly, the Earth wouldn't fly off into space immediately. Gravity doesn't travel faster than light, so for 8 minutes, we'd still orbit where the sun was. But once its gravity disappeared, Earth would drift in a straight line through space, forever. Temperatures would plummet. Within a week, the average global temperature would fall below -18 degrees Celsius 0 degrees Fahrenheit. Within a year, it would drop to -73 degrees Celsius -100 degrees Fahrenheit. The oceans would start freezing from the top down, turning the planet into a silent, frozen wasteland. Humanity would lose all power. Solar energy would stop instantly. Without sunlight, crops would die, ecosystems would collapse, and power grids would fail. Only nuclear and geothermal plants could keep small parts of civilization alive, for a while. The stars would emerge, forever. With no sun, the true darkness of space would be revealed. Billions of stars would shine brighter than ever before. But there'd be no sunrise, no morning, only endless night. Life would retreat underground. Humans might survive temporarily in underground bunkers, powered by nuclear energy. Deep-sea creatures and bacteria living near volcanic vents could continue to thrive. The last traces of life on a dying planet. The atmosphere would collapse. Without sunlight to heat the air, Earth's atmosphere would begin to freeze and fall. Oxygen and nitrogen would turn into liquid, raining down from the sky. Breathing would become impossible, and Earth's blue sky would fade into total black. Earth would drift into the void. Our planet would continue moving through space, a frozen rock, gliding through darkness. Maybe, millions of years later, it would pass near another star. But by then, everything we know, every trace of life, would be gone. But don't worry, it can't actually happen. The sun won't vanish. It's stable, strong, and has enough fuel to burn for another 5 billion years. Eventually, it will expand into a red giant, but not today, not tomorrow, and not in our lifetime. In the time you've watched this video, the sun has released more energy than humanity has used in all of history. It's not just a star, it's the reason we exist. So next time you feel the warmth of sunlight, remember, without it, we'd be nothing more than a frozen memory in the dark. Which part of this blew your mind the most? Tell me in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more mind-bending facts about our universe.